Hello everybody. Today we are going to be talking about intraplate earthquakes. So in your Edmodo, scroll until you find intraplate earthquakes. We have the link for the reading, we have the practice questions, and we have my email that you can send your answers to. So intraplate earthquakes, how do these happen? Well, intraplate earthquakes account for about 5% of the earthquakes. All right, these are ones that take place away from a plate boundary. So they're caused by stresses within a plate. So since plates are moving over a spherical surface, they're gonna these zones of weakness are gonna be created. All right, and in these zones of weakness is where the intraplate earthquakes happen. So the earthquakes may happen um, along ancient faults or ancient rift zones. Okay, so in August 2011, there was an earthquake in Virginia. Um, so here's the thing. Um, this area is not part of an active plate boundary, but 100 million years ago, a few 100 million years ago, um, this region was being